Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since the last video. Life seems to have got in the way slightly. Today for Stock Lock Sunday we have this 6-pin Euro UAP, which works. Is it that? That is the button. Not too bad. Nice smooth action on the lock, works very nicely. So we should leave that key up there. Put this in the vise and see if we can pop this open and get a little look inside. So bottom of the keyway tension, and we are using Sparrow's Antilla, I think. So let's have a look. Click on one there. Two, three. A little bit of movement on that. One seems good, two seems good, three, little bit of movement there on four when I touch that, and five. We are in. Not too bad a pick. Let's get this out the vise. So we have the key, so we can lock this back up, and we'll get the pin and tray in and get a look inside. So as always, you need to get these horrible clips off the back. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so clip is off. Key. Oops. I'll try and get this shim in as far as we can. Okay, so key out. Let's dump out these key pins. One, oops, two, three, four, five, six. So looking at them, they're all standard looking key pins. And let's get a look at the drivers. So that is a torpedo or a mushroom pin there. And one. Two is It's like another torpedo. See if I can get that to focus. Three is standard. 4 is standard. This is 5 and 6. 6, where are you? 6 is another one of these sort of mushroomed torpedoes again. So there we have it. That is a UAP 6-pin Euro, picked and gutted for Stock Lock Sunday. Let me turn that one around. I hope you guys are having a fab weekend and take it easy, and I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.